Okay, this is going to be drawing 3, the offset arm. So we're going to take a look at this before we get going here. I see 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. We're going to draw some lines that are tangent. Okay. And most importantly, we need to offset and find these circles first. So it says offset this line 4 1/16 inch. Okay, and make sure that you're using some of your knowledge from before. We're going to go ahead and open up the offset arm. So go to open, then back to our shared drive, shared engineering and drawing 1 CAD files, and we're looking for the offset arm. There it is. All right, so there is no tip layer, so we could just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we're just going to draw a line like this, okay? And we're just going to have this line come across with ortho on to establish that there. And then I'm going to draw another line here to start with 1 center point. All right, so there's 1 center point of the circle. And then we need to establish the other circle, which is at 4 1/16 inch away. So I'm going to establish this, and I'm going to use the offset command. So again, we're going to use the offset command is here. Offset how far? 4-1/16. Enter this object this way. So that line I made originally was a little bit big. No big deal though. All right, we can actually trim this if we wanted to. I could trim that off. Okay, we need a circle. The first circle, as you look on there, is a radius of 1. So I'm going to click on here and circle, center radius. I'm going to click here and pull, radius of 1. The outside circle is a radius of 2. So I'm going to do center radius again, right from here, radius of 2. Over here, we have a radius of 1/2 for the inner circle. So this circle is going to be a radius of 1/2. And then the outside circle is a diameter of 2 1/4. 2 1/4. All right. If you take a look here, you'll see our drawing. We've established these 4 circles. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those lines since we already used the center points and go from there. So we don't need this anymore. We're going to delete that one and delete this one. We need some lines, and we're going to go tangent. Okay, shift right click, tangent, tangent to here, to shift right click, tangent to here. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to hit enter to repeat or click on it, shift right click, tangent, to shift right click, tangent, tangent to there. Okay, we're going to trim, use the trim command, which is right here, and we're going to trim this off. Okay, and now we have our keyways that we have in the middle, starting from the quadrant. We'll do the one on the side here first. This one starts from the quadrant. It comes out 3/16 of an inch. It comes over 1/4 of an inch, and then we're going to drag it down. I'm going to do the same thing going this way. I'm going to come back 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to drag it down. We'll do the trim command. So we're going to trim all this out, and I accidentally did too much there. Not a big deal. I'll just take this and I'll drag that way. And we need to do some more trim command and trim this out as well. On the other side, we have a keyway. It's a little bit smaller, starting from the quadrant. It comes out 1/8 of an inch. It comes over 1/8 of an inch, and then it comes down past the line. We're going to take this line here. Going to come down 1/8 of an inch. Come down one, or not. We're just going to come past it, so it goes a little bit farther, and then we're going to trim. Okay, we're about done. We need our center marks. Let's go to the center layer. Put the center layer on. Go to annotate, center mark. Let's click on the large circle, and let's click on the large circle, and we're done. We've got tangent, tangent. Everything is good. Make sure you do a save as. Save this into your use this folder. Go down, Z drive, my drive, use this. Save it in there as your last with your initials. Use this, offset arm, save. If you have any questions, just rewatch the video.